fractions. Okay, so before we start doing that, we need to find the values of these numbers first so that you can understand that better. So this one, the 5, this one, that's the units. If I had another number, that would be tens, hundreds, and so forth. Then the number that is the number before, immediately before the decimal point, that's a unit, or that's the ones. Okay, a number which is immediately after the decimal point, that's the tens. With the THS at the end. So that's the tens. So we've got 2 tens, which means 2 over 10. This one, we have got, that's the hundreds. Okay, can you see that one? That's the hundreds. So which means it's that one will be over the 100. And this one will be thousands. Okay, now we know the value of them. So what you do is you look at the numbers you have. Like on here, we've got tens and we don't have the whole number. So which means we don't have any units. So we've got only the tens. So this one will be 2 over 10. And then you can simply, fractions, they're always written in the simplest form. So you can simplify that. 2 can go into both. So 2 into 2, it goes once. 2 into 10, it goes 5. So that would be 1/5. Okay, let's try this one. So we've changed a decimal to a fraction. So which means 0.2 is exactly the same as 1/5. Okay, this one. So we have got tens, hundreds, thousands. So which means this number has to be over 1,000. And we've got only 71. So that would be 71 over 1,000. Okay? So this one we cannot simplify it. So it stays the way it is. So which means 0.071 is the same as 71 over 1,000. Okay, so the other way to remember it, you have got one number after the point, so which means we need 1 0. 1 0, 2 zeros, 3 zeros. That's the other way of you to remember it. On here, we did not have whole numbers. So we were just writing the fraction. But on here, we've got a whole number. So which means we need this big 5. So that will be, so this one is going to be a mixed fraction, mixed number. So that will be a big 5 on this one. And I have got tenths and hundreds. So which means that will be 12 over 100. And I can simplify that. So that will be the same as the big 5 again. 4 can go into both. 4 into 12 goes 3 times. And 4 into 100, it goes 25. So that will be 5 and 3 over 25. Okay, let's try this one. This one, we've got another whole number as well. So which means this is going to be a mixed number or a mixed fraction. So that will be a big 7 first. And this one, I've got tens, hundreds, and thousands. So which means if this number is going to be over 1,000. So that will be 8, 4, 6 over 1,000. Okay, we can try simplifying this. Okay, reducing it. So that will be our big 7. What number can go into both? We can use 2 to make it smaller. 2 into there, it goes 4. 2 there, it goes 2. 3 over 2 into, which is half of 1,000, which is 500. Okay, so you've simplified it. Okay, so on here, what you need to remember, when you have got a whole number, then it means it's already a mixed number. It's going to be a mixed number because we have got a whole number. When you don't have, it's only a fraction. Okay, like always, worksheet at the end of the video. Practice that worksheet, send in your work for marking and the feedback. Then you can do the next lesson. Thank you, bye.